Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is the voice of the clocks, and here we are to continue the completion of our KYC. In the previous video we explained how you can get yourself prepared in order to receive KYC invitation. Now, this particular video is the final phase of this KYC. After you must have prepared your account, updating your information, and making sure that you are a partner of this particular project Ruby for over a month and continuous mining on daily basis for 1 month. So that is what will qualify you to receive an invitation to KYC. Now, what do I mean? Now, let me quickly log into my account. This is my account, and for you to be able to know if you have already done all the necessary preparation before now, which I did in the previous video, go back to the my information here. You make sure all this information are being filled one after the other. You make sure you put in the right information about you. Then after that, you now wait for the invitation. Now, how do you check the invitation? Now, on top here you will see notification. Now, I have been invited. Look at it here. KYC invitation has been sent to you. Please check and complete the invitation. Now, I can click here to continue, or go back and click here, then click on user verification, then click on not verified, then continue my KYC. Look at it here. Now, for you to be able to receive invitation, like I said in the previous video as well, you must be a complete ownership. We must have to complete the ownership information for over 30 days. So if you have not completed your ownership information, you have to complete it and wait for 30 days. Now, exploit at least 30 Ruby. You must have at least 30 Ruby in your account, which you have already mined. Then receive invitation, which is what I have just received. Now, I am proceeding to continue. Now, the agreement on the providing users verification information is in the know your customer activity is a mandatory agreement. You need to thoroughly read and understand it before agreeing. Now, you need to read all this before agreeing. I have already read and understand everything here. So read and understand. Now, click continue. Now they are now asking me, please select your priority level, then proceed to make a reservation to continue KYC. So you know amount of Ruby that if you have a document that is not bright, please don't proceed. Now, this priority level means that if you fail this first priority, they will not refund you back. Are you getting me? So you are allowed to submit 5 times. Q is less than 100. Expect results to return in at least 4 hours. So if you submit wrong information or wrong picture or wrong ID, your Ruby will not be refunded. So that's why you need to be careful. So some people are selecting 6 because they do not they don't have clear invitation, so that when they try like 3 times, it will work for them. But if unfortunately you tried that 3 times and it didn't work, that your 6 Ruby is gone. So make sure you are okay, your ID cards are okay before continuing. Now let's proceed. Select make payment. Okay, so speaking grammar here. Sorry. All right. I believe you saw what I selected. I selected 2. So in this place, I am going to fee payment. Now they are asking me to transfer some Ruby into this particular wallet. So I'm going to copy this wallet. I'm going to copy this wallet and send it out for what? To receive my Ruby. Now, while we wait a bit, let me fund the wallet. Thank you. Okay, now before I proceed, I would like to analyze this very well. Now, if you have gotten to this stage and you have enough balance in your wallet, you know this Ruby has their own Dex wallet where you can create your own wallet, save your 12 phrase and passkey, and also you can transact Ruby there. So if you have enough balance in your wallet account, then you can just click on checkout here. Click on checkout. Click on checkout. Allow it to load. Now, here it's going to pick out 2 Ruby which I requested for. I click on transfer. Now I will need to enter my own code, my own PIN code first. Transfer to this successfully, as you can see. Then I will now click already paid. Amazing success, you have just paid the KYC booking fee. Please press KYC now to continue. Now after making the fee, you now click on KYC now. Now the main KYC has started. Here is when you will need to paste your passport, your national ID card, whatever ID card that they are recognized. You need to input it here. Okay, read the following conditions very well before you proceed. So as you can see, they ask me to select the type of ID I want to verify. So I have already selected national ID card and I'll click continue. Now notice you are using a paid KYC request with you have a maximum of pauses in the KYC process to correct errors. So do not rush. Anyone you don't understand, pause it and come ask question. Please prepare a national ID card or passport that matches this account ownership information. Please provide clear, sharp and correct image. Don't provide wrong information. Your date of birth, your name must match with that of your national ID card and what you have already provided there. Okay, I got it. Now I click I got it. Now document ID card number. Document ID card number. That's my NIN number. I'm going to use NIN. They're asking for the number here. Full name exactly according to your ID. Full name exactly according to your ID. Date of birth exactly according to your ID. Then if you're a male, nationality, place of birth, place of residence, expired or not expired, date of issuer and place of issuer of your ID card. So this is what you're going to provide for them. Let's continue. So after inputting all your information correctly, then you now click on send KYC. Make sure that your camera is bright because you are not going to be allowed to upload any picture. You have to take it at spot on the process. Let me put it that way. You must take the picture on the process. So you cannot upload. Make sure that the phone camera you're using is very, very bright. Otherwise you will have to do what? Pay for another fee. If the KYC failed, you have to pay for another fee. And remember, each one that failed, you are losing money. So after that, you click on send KYC and you wait for it.